Does your water dispenser have a funny taste coming from it? Here are some of the solutions that can eliminate your issue.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
The first thing to look at when you have funny tasting water is to check the water line coming into the refrigerator. Sometimes the minerals and contaminants in the water coming in can cause odors or funny tasting water. It's recommended when this happens to install an inline water filter to eliminate all of these smells and odors. Another thing you can check is the water reservoir. The water reservoir is in the refrigerator section. Sometimes if this water reservoir isn't being used frequently and you're not getting a lot of water out of it, the water gets stale. It's recommended to take 6 to 8 glasses out of the water dispenser so you can flush that dispenser out and make the water taste much better. And the last issue to look at is the water filter located in the refrigerator section. This is a secondary water filter that filters out all of the water through the ice maker and the water dispenser. When you have this filter plugged up or contaminants in the filter, it can make the water taste funny. So it's always recommended to take and replace this filter based on the manufacturer's recommendations, or approximately every 90 days if you're using the water frequently. If this video helped you, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next one.